first fruit increase, first fruit sacrifice, two different things. Okay? It's very simple. One is giving the increase that you get as an offering. So say you were being paid a salary of 500 naira last year, and by January 20 or any time throughout 2020 it has become 501 naira. You give that 1 naira as your increase. You would tithe your regular 500 as it is 10%, which would be 15 naira, but the one you would just give it as an increase. That is the first fruit increase. Bam. The first fruit sacrifice, like Abraham did by putting Isaac up, is the whole thing. So you might choose to give your whole January sacrifice. Yeah.
Welcome to the Moment of Truth and Enlightening class. Today is Monday, 14th of October, 2024. You just heard Leke Adeboye lecturing us how to spend our money, how to give. It suddenly becomes our accountant. It's asking you to give your whole January salary as Abraham gave Isaac. So Abraham gave Isaac. Did Abraham actually give Isaac? No. That's what we are saying to you. They do not know the Bible. Even the father is making the same blunder. Let me begin by reading comments of my people in diaspora. This person said, let us unite. Adeboye pleaded in the video I posted yesterday. Say we should stop fighting each other. We should come together. We should unite. We should do this. We should do. So people are responding to all Adeboye's lies and deception. How can we unite? When you continue making us, we can't unite. And your children making us, all of you, Oyedepo children making us, your own children making us. So how can we unite with the people that is dragging us down? So let me read. This person said, he said, let us unite. But he used the same out to pray, that all other denominations will bow to RCCG. Yeah, we can, because we are not the same anyway. You've already disunite us. You say we are not. You say other denomination will bow down to RCCG. So you offended people in many ways. He has apologized that in many ways he has offended us. We should forgive him. We should correct him. And it's a lie. So this one we are asking you, stop collecting tithe and offering. Stop collecting first fruit. Stop fighting for our 20%, 30%, 90%. Stop it. It's not your money. We cannot unite like this. Let's hear more from Leke Adeboye. The whole internet is dragging him lege. They are dragging him here now.
Yeah, or your old January income. Yeah, the whole thing. If it's a salary, by the way, because this is in different levels, depending on your relationship with God, depending on your understanding and your depth that you have with God, or whatever agreement you have with God. This is personal, super personal. You don't even have to give anything. It's a sacrifice. Don't have to give anything. As sacrifices go, some people who remain there that don't sacrifice anything, but some people will sacrifice for them. Kill in Jesus. You don't have to die for the whole world. The whole world didn't come and die for him. Anyway, so we don't.
So if Jesus died for us, why do we have to pay you and your family, your mother, your father, your siblings? Why? Were you the one that died for the world? Why do you have to pay? What are we paying for? So make it clear. Let us understand. We owe you nothing. You are all thieves.
So we don't miss the point. So you can give your salary or your well, I will start this slowly. I'm trying not to use the word earnings because that I have to explain that part depending on your depth of relationship with God. So you could give the whole of January salary as a first increase of the month or first income of the month of the year of the first month of the year, and you give that them if you get the energy, because some people were paid 19th of December, so there is no shishi, nothing remain right now. We are waiting for that January salary like we are waiting for rapture. It has to happen anyway. So that aside, but depending on your level, say you're a business owner like my wife is and all of that.
Did you hear this overfed financial advisor? We should give the whole salary. So if they give you their whole salary, how will they feed? How will they pay their rent, mortgage, service their car, petrol, pay their children's school fees and all that? How?
A first increase after paying Lagos State tithes, taxes, sorry, not tithes, and paying out the staff. So she might want to give the earnings, maybe all of it, even before the taxes and all of that, for the first day of January as a business owner, all of it, or the first week, as in everything she earns in the first week. So the first day might be 5,000 naira they made in the store. The whole week might be 50,000 naira they made from the store. Now she might want to give the first 2 weeks, which is 100K, or she might want, as this is just, I'm just speaking, yes, you know the English word, or she might want to give for the first 3 weeks or the first 4 weeks or the whole of January, whatever they make, as in absolutely everything, depending on your level of relationship. Some people, it would be just the profit that they would give. To some, it is inclusive of all the sales, and they'll go and find another way to pay the taxes for the month and pay the staff salary from the month and pay whatever else for the month, and all the other bills, depending on your own level of relationship.
So from my own understanding of what Leke is saying there, his wife pay Lagos State tax, yeah, from her business, and she still pay 100,000 into father-in-law's business. But Leke is not mentioning how he pay taxes. He does not pay taxes to Lagos State government, nor does he pay tax. And he's asking you to pay everything, and you have to look for other ways to pay your other bills, to pay your staff salaries and all that. See how they create nuisance. Adeboye's method has destroyed every
relationship with God and what it is that you are willing to sacrifice. Hence the word sacrifice. Yeah. So on that one, levels. If I say expensive, some people might pay the whole month's earnings, and then still go and pay the tithe of that month's earnings from somewhere else. Or those who are financially well planned, that don't depend on salary, or that know what they have been doing since they've been doing the do. Yeah. But some of us that work for a charity organization, and we get paid charity money, and they actually tithe it from the source and tax it from the source, giving all of January in some cases, might also be nice, for those who can handle it. But then some people might get, a love offering, a gift from someone, like, oh, you did very well during December. I liked how you dressed, or I liked your sunglasses, or how your team worked, or whatever. The first of that one, you can give it all as a sacrifice too. It's a personal relationship thing. Don't come and meet me and say, Leke said, this is personal. I've been getting all sorts of questions. When it comes to money, the way Africans ask questions, you would think that they will die. No, when it comes to this money issue. But anyway,
yeah, people ask you questions because they want to know why they have to pay you. Serving God. What has serving God has to do by paying you? We don't understand. We didn't get it. Our relationship with Christ. What has it got to do with you? With you. With us giving you our money. We want to know. You are a thief. You are a rogue. You are very wicked.
So I'm just answering back in the nicest, polite, the most polite manner that I know how to be polite. Some of us, our bond is born against. So we're against any unseriousness in life. So, since you sent me a message, I'm only replying. So you have a full understanding now. I've gone to ask the elders and they've explained it to me. That's what I did all afternoon today. Because even me too, I need to know. I really need to know. I have school fees, I have all of that one. But thank God I'm learning now to, plan myself so that, January doesn't hit us, bam, like it's hitting some people. For all those who went to go and have dirty or whatever December, where January it's cold. It's cold. I'm at town everywhere. It's cold in January. So anyway, I've used almost 7 minutes explaining this. I hope you get it. There's an increase part. There's a sacrifice part. The increase can come at any time of the year, across the year. It's not everybody that is going to get a raise. I wish I'm getting a raise. Hint, hint, if they are watching. So you pay tithe on the regular income. You only give the increase of your salary or your earnings as a first fruit. The first fruit sacrifice is when you just give the whole thing. And as in your account will be like 0.00 minus 00. And then depending on which level your relationships is with God or what you're trying to achieve in the year. I have goals. One of them will scare you. I'm trying to save up my age that will be this year as my savings for this year. That's just one of my goals. And I'm not talking 1,000. God will help me, because I don't even know where that way is coming from. But at least, hey, if I aim high, I really aim really high, I might just be on one of those Elon Musk space shuttles going to space, man. Peace. Have a good year in Jesus' name.
Read him, giving will make him to be like Elon Musk. It's a lie, my people. These are the lies they are telling our youth. Telling our young people. It's a lie, It's hard work, Elon Musk pay tithes to nobody. He works hard. As a billionaire, he sleeps in his office when the work is tough. Look at him there, fat as a pig, holding a toothpick in his hand, talking to the whole world with toothpick in his hands. They are lazy boys, born by crooks, by rogues' parents, to disturb the world, to disturb the whole world. My people get sense. You hold them nothing. Stop going to all these places. It's because you go there. That's why they are demanding money from you. Who born anybody now to come and demand money from me? No. I know where to give my money. December is coming. I will go to charity, to the motherless babies, to the homeless, to the orphans, to the drug abuse users. That's how you spend your money. Go to the hospitals, pay people school fees, go to schools, ask the teachers which parents has not paid their children's school fees. That's what God asks us to be doing, not to be giving your money to all these rogues, all these liars. I see you on my next video. Bye for now.